Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. Well, I wanted to start this week's episode with a special footnote. So 2 weeks ago, I shared a found sample. An audience member sent me this really cool dimensional pop-up wallet mailer, and I've since found out that was actually a structural graphics design. So way to go, structural graphics. I should have known it was yours. It was amazing, so thanks. This week's super cool fold is from my good friend Scott Engel and the gang at Graphic Visual Solutions. This was designed by Wildfire for Client Wake Forest Athletics, and I think you're going to love this. It's creative, it's simple, it's got a visual effect that's really fun. So this was for Wake Forest Athletics. This is a piece designed to tell people about the season tickets schedule and the game schedule and things like that. So I love the cover. This is a huge Wake Forest sneaker, and on it is a real shoelace that's laced in here, and there's a little split right here, so this is actually a gatefold. Simple format, love the oversize. There's also some neat special effects going on, which I'll tell you about, but I want to just open this for you because it's fun. So you kind of untie the shoelace, and you open it up, and it's just a really nice, simple gatefold format. Beautiful color, nice special effects. So these were printed on a Komori 8-color perfecting press. They were printed 4-color with a spot color, also flood aqueous coat. It's also got a strike through dull varnish and a spot soft touch UV coating. Just so many wonderful things going on. It's hard to remember them all. You can see all these nice kind of shimmery textures going on, and the soft touch on the sneakers, really cool. These were die score, and because you had to get the holes there and you had to string. So these were hand strung and tied. They did about 2,000 of these, some handed out, some mailed. So just great use of print format, special effects. Great kind of tangibility here of getting people to untie the shoe. Of course you're going to untie the shoe and open it up. So I love that. I hope you like it too. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Creative tied gatefold. For this to your friends and colleagues, keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial lines, and print. And remember, think finish at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.